There, of course, have been also reactions from a cross-section of leaders, especially from the Coalition of Reforms and Democracy. Let's take a listen to what some of those leaders have had to say.
We said yesterday on the floor of the Senate and in our CORD headquarters, and I want to repeat, that in the past, when Tom Mboya was assassinated, his security detail had been withdrawn. When Robert Ouko disappeared and was eventually found murdered and burned, his security detail had been withdrawn. When J.M. Kariuki was murdered and found thrown to hyenas in Ngong Forest, his security detail had been withdrawn. If this is a precursor to what the government wants to do to our two governors, we warn them in clear terms that the consequences may be dire.
Juhudi la serikali ni kuhakikisha kwamba jambo lolote lisitendeke kwa hawa viongozi ambao wananyang'anywa security yao. Kwa sababu jambo mbaya likitokea, itakuwa wajibu wa serikali sasa kueleza kwa Wakenya ni kwa nini wanatisha hawa viongozi na mambo yao ya security.